Let's upgrade this gaming PC. eBay edition. Keyboard noises. Click, click, click. Let's buy a used GTX 1060 6 gig. Oh yeah, this is the one. Well, since I upgraded my GPU, why not everything else?
Nice.
Darn, I see why no one buys used graphics cards. I got scammed. Wrong. Let's pretend this PC is completely functional. CPU, cooler, and power. Do you still not understand what went wrong? So let's rewind. Bingo! You bought a parts-only GPU for your personal PC and now you can't even return it. So now I'm gonna show you how to safely buy a GPU on eBay. But in part 2, which will be out after I get back from Sam's Club, so I better see you there.